Good morning, scholars. Today we will delve into the realm of order of operations. And the order of operations are just what they sound like. The order in which we are supposed to do the operations in a given equation. So, Ms. Action, read the aim for me today.
The aim students will be able to use the order of operations to simplify an expression.
Yes. So, when I say go, I want you to clear your desk of everything except for a pen. Gabby, we're not writing now. Clear your desk of everything except for a pen and a piece of paper. I'll know you're ready when you're tracking me. Go. I already have Gabby's eyes. I know that Mr. Chen is ready to go. Good, everyone's ready. So, one very important thing I want to remind you all of is that board equals paper. So if I write it or wrote it, you write it as well. Mr. Chen? Thank you. So, the order of operations is the set of rules that state which calculations to do first in an expression. The set of rules that say which calculations to do first in an expression. So, now we're going to transition to our think aloud. And again, I want to remind you that board equals paper. So, Ms. Action, can you read example number 1 for me?
Simplify. 12 divided by 6 times 4 plus 4, what is that, like, triangle?
What is that? That is a very good question. Mr. Chen, do you know what that is?
It's exponent.
It is an exponent. So, how else can you say this expression, 4 with that little weird thing, 2?
4 squared.
Yes, you can say 4 squared. So, Ms. Action, how else can we say this expression?
It's 4 squared.
Yes. And I want to point out that whenever you see this thing, it just means that 4 or this number to the second or whatever number that is, power. So, to simplify this expression, I'm going to use, as I stated earlier, the order of operations. So I'm going to start with parentheses. I know that's the first thing I have to look for. So from left to right, I'm thinking to myself, do I see any parentheses? And I don't. So I can go ahead to the next thing, which is exponents. So from left to right, do I see any exponents, Gabby?
Yeah,
Where are they?
it's that 4 with the weird thing too.
What is that weird thing called?
Well, I don't know,
Or-
it means it's square.
Yes, it does mean it's square. Thank you so much. So yeah, it's called a caret, by the way. But it does mean 4 squared. So I'm going to go ahead from left to right and compute 4 squared. Mr. Chen, what is 4 squared?
16.
It is 16. So I'm going to go ahead and write 16. And I'm going to rewrite everything else that I have in this equation because I haven't solved it yet. So I continue with my equation. I look from left to right. Ms. Action, I need your eyes. I look from left to right, and I don't see any more exponents, so I go on to the next thing, which is multiplication and division. From left to right, do we see any multiplication or division, Ms. Action?
Yeah, we see both of them.
Okay, which one do you see first?
I see division first.
All right. And when you do 12 divided by 6, what do you get?
Me?
Yes,
Or
Ms.
you?
Action.
Oh,
So
2.
you do get 2.
So is it 2x plus 4 or?
That's wrong.
So, Jamie, that's a demerit. Do not speak English. Called upon. Ms. Action. So yeah, you did answer my question, but I want to continue with that really quickly. So you said 12 divided by 6 is what?
2?
Yes, it is 2.
2x?
Ms. Action. That's a demerit. When that's calling you, then you speak. So yes, 2, and then so I'm going to rewrite the rest of the equation. since I didn't compute anything else after that. So Mr. Chen, from left to right, do you see any more multiplication or division?
Yes.
Okay, that's a demand. I need you to be focusing and not doodling. I'm sorry, sir, what did you say?
8.
What is
2
8?
times 4 is 8.
2 times 4 is 8. Yes. 2 times 4 is 8. And I just recopied down to plus 16. Remember, our goal is to simplify the expression. So now this one is easy. You all have that down. Gabby, what's 8 plus 16?
23?
Is it 23?
Oh, I mean 24.
You do mean 24 because 24 is the right answer. Wonderful. So, to simplify, 12 divided by x plus 4 squared equals